Our life is a journey, and it's important to find your own way. Go and never stop. Accept challenges and collect memories. This is what makes you who you are. But now more than ever, it becomes clear that, in fact, all roads lead to home. The new reality of the world hit us hard. It showed us how fragile the world is and how safe your home can be. This is what's really important.
Наша компания этот год прошла очень достойно.
Мы растем и растем достаточно хорошо. Это и для компании, и для каждого сотрудника огромная победа.
This is not only about walls. Home is where is family, where your colleagues stand side by side, where you feel support. You understand that you can't let down, where there are possibilities and strength so the story can continue.
Италия попала в топ-400 самых быстро развивающихся компаний Италии. Мы запустили новое производство в Хабаровске. Это производство досочных систем.
Our world is huge, and exploring it is a real pleasure. The real happiness is to be able to share kindness, even in the most difficult situation, when the whole world and thousands of roads are in front of you. Which one would you choose to follow next? Would you choose to follow the trodden path or to bravely step into the unknown? Only the bravest ones can decide to build from scratch and start another new story.
Мы успешно живем, мы успешно развиваемся, мы растем. У нас открываются новые направления, мы строим новые заводы, поэтому у каждого сотрудника появляются новые возможности профессионально расти. Каждому из вас я пожелаю, чтобы с каждым годом вы жили все лучше и лучше.
For TECHNONICOL, home is more than just a country. Our home is where houses are built using TECHNONICOL's materials. And that means that our home is a lot more than half of the world. And it's been 28 years.